Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So quickly join in so that we can start our today's discussion. All right, everyone, very good evening. How are you? कैसे हैं सब लोग? Indra ma'am, very good evening. Very good evening to all of you. So in this particular session, we are going to revise or discuss our unit-wise MCQs based on PPB Module C, which is all about banking technology, right? So technology in banks, again, like nowadays, the entire banking system is technology driven, right? So we have different tools, and you can expect questions around these particular one. So we have these many units which are generally part of this particular topic. So where essential of banking computerization, we have operational aspect of CBS, we have alternate delivery channel, digital banking, we have data communication network, digital payments, impact of technology, adoption and trend in banking technology, consideration, cyber crimes, and the technology trend like e-rupee, fintech, regtech, supertech, we have hashtag and other banking, right? So first of all, everything is fine from my side, guys. All good. Audio and video is perfect. So shall we start, guys? तो फर्स्ट यूनिट आपका essential of banking in essential of bank computerization. That is the very first topic which we are going to discuss in this particular one. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आपका क्वेश्चंस के साथ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस एंड so that we can start this particular one. All right. Okay, Divyang sir is saying option A should be right answer for this particular one. Other also, guys. ठीक है. So first question on your screen, and the question is, consider the following statement regarding computerization in bank. So the first statement, standalone system were mainly used for processing and decision making by managers and executives. A multi-user system, terminals have full independent processing power. No, they are like centralized based. Next one आपका centralized data processing allow bank to provide anywhere anytime banking services. The next one is branch level computerization initially involved interconnection of all branches. No, there is no interconnection between all branches. ठीक है. So आपका it is every branch level system up should be right answer for this one. Disk mirroring and transaction tracking were security features used in branch level computerization. ठीक है. Disk mirroring and transaction tracking, yes. So 135 बिल्कुल सही, 100% ऑप्शन A will be right answer for this particular question. करेक्ट है. यस हाँ, आज आप लोगों की कंप्यूटर की सारी नॉलेज टेस्ट होने वाली है इस सेशन के अंदर. वेरी गुड इवनिंग रानी मैम. अदर ऑल्सो गाइज. यस, चलो नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन and Logesh sir, very good evening. So next question is around the your local area networks. So which of the following statement about LAN are correct? The first, a LAN link computer and peripheral within a localized area such as within a building and all. Second statement, LAN typically use CAT 200 cable for the distance greater than 100 meters. Okay. Yes, I see. Okay, ठीक है. The next one, your it should be CAT 5e ना, CAT 5e. ठीक है. So CAT 5e we use that yellow color आपका cable for the connection. This should be wrong. Third statement, the central node means server in LAN provide and control all the network services. This is also true. In LAN, each system connected is known as node. 100% true. A LAN setup requires special software to handle simultaneous service requests from the client station. This is also true. So 1345 1345 means आपका again option A should be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. So हाँ, cat 5e cat 5e, that yellow color cable आपका, which we generally connect through our devices, that generally part of this particular one. Correct. Next one. Very good, Vinod sir. The screen is visible, right? Everyone, the screen is visible. Options are clearly visible. So, which of the following statement about total branch automation and computerization at different bank level are correct? So, you have given 7 statement. Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so much, Vinod sir. So, in total branch automation, transactions are recorded, verified, and updated instantly. Instant transaction updation in others, yes. Single window system was made possible due to branch computerization. Regional offices mainly head offices handle आपका international business transaction. That make this a statement wrong. Branch profile including fixed particulars like branch location and area classification. Branch profile which include these one, true है. Credit monitoring at zonal or regional offices involve access to centralized database of the borrowers. Head office computerization include activities like payroll management for the employees. Electronic fund transfer can be integrated with the online system to speed up the fund transactions. Yes, तो 1 2 आपका 4 5 6 7 1 2 1 2 4 5 6 7. So option C should be right answer for this particular question. Very good. Other also guys, why you guys are not answering? At least try आपका, ठीक है. और this is something like देखो यहाँ पे when it comes to the आपका computerization, it is basic computerization, ठीक है. So like as a banker we need to be very comfortable with these particular tools and all, and for examination purpose also, okay, so you have to remember all these things. And what we have done, we have tried to cover the maximum things which are generally part of your curriculum, so that you can easily relate things or easily access to the answer to the questions also, ठीक है. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा रहेगा कि like statement आज usually link with your डे टू डे बैंकिंग थिंग्स एंड ऑल. सो आई होप कि आपको ज़्यादा चैलेंज नहीं आएगा एग्जामिनेशन में. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू आंसर दिस वन. So which of the following is UPS uninterrupted power supply are correct? So we use UPS as a आपका power backup in our organization, that small box, right? So an online UPS continuously convert 230 volt AC to DC and then back to 230 आपका volt AC even when the main power supply is available. So this is आपका true. This is the core function of this particular device. An offline UPS regulate the input voltage to ensure clean power is delivered to the equipment. So when it comes to offline, it does not आपका regulate things and all. So it should be wrong. Third one, primary function of UPS is to protect IT equipments from the power disruption like blackout and brownout and surge. Yes. तो 1 and 3 means आपका option C will be right answer. No, not D. ठीक है. This Offline basically that does not regulate these particular things. ठीक है, so it should not be correct आपका option yes. And offline UPS does not regulate the input voltage. It only switches to battery powers when there is a disruption in that particular case. ठीक है, the UPS which we generally use at our places or even in offices also. So this is something their key workings and all. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, next one guys. So CBS, now I hope this everybody will be able to answer, because CBS is something which is very common and we use this particular one in our daily life of banking. So what will be your correct answer? बताइए, CBS, core banking solution, core banking system. So are the correct statements? So CBS use the decentralized database that allow online transaction to be processed at branch level. No, it is a centralized process आपका, not decentralized, wrong है. CBS is limited to branch banking and does not integrate the digital channel. It does. So this is also आपका, it is not branch level, it is आपका bank level first of all. So this is also wrong. The software used in CBS integrate with the delivery channels like ATM, telebanking, internet banking, mobile banking. Yes. The next one is disaster recovery site DRS ensure business continuity during the system or network failure, allowing uninterrupted services. Business process re-engineering BPR help bank to streamline their processes by aligning them with technological advancement. Yes. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 means option D will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. So when it comes to CBS, it use centralized database, and CBS integrate with the digital delivery channels like ATMs or the other areas. Right. Chalo, next one. Okay. Data communication network and EFT system आपका, ठीक है. So these are generally part of your next topic. So let's start with the very first question. Again, start with the CBS introduction. The first question on your screen. So the core banking solution are true. So first statement, CBS merge communication technology and information technology to suit the core banking need. Yes. Bank branches are connected to the central server through wireless internet. No, we have other tool also. So third one is core banking software example include Infosys, आपका Finacle. We have Bankers by TCS. We have FlexCube by Oracle. So different bank they use these different servers. So 1 and 3 आपका yes. So apart from this wireless network, we use services like leased line, MPLS. We have VSET. We have RF 3G, 4G, and other technologies which generally get used in this particular one. Next one, guys. Next one. So core banking solution in our correct statement again. So which of the following statement about the core banking solution, and you have to find out the correct statement. Okay, just a minute. I guess I need to hide myself. So first statement आपका CBS allow customer account management facilitate real-time access to banking services across branches. The another statement, one of the feature of CBS is manual processing of check. No, it is आपका online processing of check that make this statement wrong. CBS help in calculating interest on both advances and deposit, ensuring accurate and timely calculations. The fourth statement, customer relationship management activities are supported by the CBS also. CBS can interface with third-party service providers, regulators, alternate delivery channels like this. Yes. So 135. 135 means option A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good guys. Well done. Well done. Good going. ठीक है everyone. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वन. स्टेटमेंट को देख के नहीं घबराना है, ठीक है. यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड आउट द स्टेटमेंट्स एंड ट्राई योर बेस्ट because same similar set of statement you guys are going to face in your examination also, right? So first आपका the flow of transaction in core banking solution और आपका CBS. Okay, chalo, let's start. First statement, the central database validate the transaction only after it has passed through the multi-factor authentication process, which involve verifying the user's biometric data and transaction credentials at the alternate delivery channels like ATMs. True hai. Second statement, transaction performed by branch users are subject to make a checker functionality, ensuring that each transaction is reviewed and authorized by an officer after being initiated by the teller or maker. Third statement, CBS non-financial transactions such as balance inquiry, stock maintenance update do not require validation. They do require validation. So that make this statement wrong. Once the transaction hit the central database, the system perform checks like verifying the authority of teller and the balances in the account and the validity of the accounts numbers before committing the transactions. Transaction initiated by third party trusted vendor are also required validations. आपका this is wrong. ठीक है, तो 124 means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Very good, well done guys, good going. बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है आप लोगों को कंप्यूटर्स का, ठीक है. तो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर डे टू डे बैंकिंग ऑल्सो, बट हाँ यू गाइज आर डूइंग रियली गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. अगला क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट वन. Which of the following statement are correct regarding EOD end of the day and begin of the day operation in CBS? Okay, so begin of the day when we log into the system and EOD when we close this particular one. Okay, so EOD and BOD transactions. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आपका BOD ट्रांजेक्शन कैन बी परफॉर्म विदाउट द कंप्लीशन ऑफ EOD प्रीवियस डे. नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट आपका one of the tasks during begin of the day is processing the salary payments. The third statement, EOD operation involve generating mandatory reports and performing backup. Then we have a transaction number is assigned at the EOD. This is आपका EOD. This is also wrong. During EOD, the server room should be locked and key must be kept with the authorized person. BOD operations depend on business day. specified in branch calendar also. So this is also true. ठीक है, so this question can be done. Okay, हाँ 6 आपका ठीक है. So option D will be right answer for this one. I guess people got tricked with this particular statement. EOD operation, sorry, a transaction number is assigned at the time of EOD, not BOD आपका ठीक है. So please do remember this one. So like that is bit confusing, but in general banking when we process things with the help of CBS, so transaction number are assigned during EOD, not during आपका BOD. ठीक है. Yes, very good. Deven sir and Rani ma'am. ठीक है. These are the two person who correctly marked this one. Another one आपका core banking password control mechanism. Very easy one. I hope everybody will be able to mark correctly आपका. Well done guys, well done. अपने आप को सराहते रहिए. ठीक है. ये आसान है आई गेस. ठीक है. तो दिव्यांग सर, विनोद सर, एवरीवन इज सिंग ऑप्शन डी. सो पासवर्ड मस्ट बी 12 कैरेक्टर. कितना होता है? 8 कैरेक्टर. ठीक है. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. सेकेंड वन, द सेम पासवर्ड कैन बी रीयूज आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड इफ नीडेड. सो इट इज़ आपका एक्चुअली प्रोहिबिटेड. ठीक है. इट शुड बी रॉन्ग. मल्टी यूजर और मल्टी फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन शुड बी एनफोर्स फॉर सर्टेन क्रिटिकल मॉड्यूल इन द सिस्टम. Fourth statement, the critical operation system password should be kept under the control by the branch manager and system administrator. Yes. Password should be stored in plain text. No. ठीक है. It is not allowed. Not suggested. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 means option D will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. Well done guys. Well done. बहुत बढ़िया चल कर रहे हैं सब लोग. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन आपका, नेक्स्ट वन, ट्रू रिगार्डिंग लॉजिकल एक्सेस कंट्रोल इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ठीक है. ट्रू रिगार्डिंग लॉजिकल एक्सेस कंट्रोल इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. So this should be आपका चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर, CISO. It is called CISO, not CEO. ठीक है. So CEO is responsible for ensuring security features. No, it is not CEO, it is CISO. ठीक है. Chief Engineering System आपका officer who will be responsible for this. So first, user should have a minimum access level necessary to perform the job functions. File maintenance should given to all. No, not all, only authorized. ठीक है. So 2 and 3 are wrong. What we have to find out correct one, that means only one will be right answer in this particular case. A will be right answer for this particular one. Very good guys. हाँ, this is आपका chief information security officer is generally आपका like he will be responsible for these kind of activities, right? Next one. जयदेव सर आंसर कीजिए. जयदेव सर इज आई गेस यूनिवर्सल ऑन ऐप ऑल्सो एंड ऑन YT ऑल्सो. हाँ, चलो. तो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर गाइज? So correct regarding the operational aspect of security control in computerized banking system. The system should ensure data is accurate and complete for processing. Second statement, access control assigned to staff should be independent of their, no, it should be आपका not independent, it should be it is like we are not providing to access to someone else and job is done by someone else. It should be whoever is doing that job, that access should be provided to that person only, right? Backup should be stored in fireproof cabins with restricted access आपका, that is true. Next one, antivirus software need to be installed, regularly updated for on all system. Segregation of duties is necessary. Bank should take daily, monthly backups and others, yes. So 1346 means option A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, well done, very good guys. बहुत अच्छे आंसर्स कर रहे हो आप. I was like कि आपका it will be bit tough for all of you, but you guys are doing very good, really good, very good, awesome. ठीक है, चलो अगला next one. True regarding the bank role and responsibilities under CDS as per RBI guidelines. So bank must have an IT policy in place to address risk related to electronic banking and cyber fraud, which is 100% true. The bank is required to only focus on generating hard copies of report. This is not suggested. So a system audit must be conducted by a firm CA to ensure technology used for payment system is secured. This is also true. This we have read in your accounts section also. Bank must ensure the data integrity and security of financial transactions that are correct mapping of the account code. This is also true. Customer complaint related to errors in transactions such as interest application must be documented and addressed as per the guidelines. तो 1345 आपका option D will be right answer for this particular one. Very good, well done, well done. ठीक है, so that is the one. Very good guys. Next one. Okay, next one is आपका digital payment system. ठीक है, digital payment system. This is something which is very very easy. So you have to be very careful around this. Like see what happened if you are, let's say if you are not that tech friendly, जहाँ पे if you feel की या that areas like LAN, WAN, computer things and others is beyond your आपका interest areas and all, then focus on the remaining subject in this particular one, so you can easily आपका handle these things. ठीक है, the only thing is even everything is manageable. This will be the easiest section out of all the 4 modules. ठीक है, तो चारों मॉड्यूल में से सबसे आसान ये होगा. So just do revise. I'll upload this PDF just after this session for module D also that we have done in the morning. But there you can get at least आपका downsides 5-6 question. They are very confusing. ठीक है, ethics is very confusing. But when it comes to this is something you can easily tackle. Believe me. So just do revise things आपका properly. ठीक है दोस्तों. मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, हाँ विनोद सर. चलो ठीक है, एज यू से योर बॉस. हाँ, नेक्स्ट वन. तो नेक्स्ट वन गाइज. सो ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन, सो दैट वाज स्पीच वाज टू हैंडल दीज 7 स्टेटमेंट. हाँ, दैट इज लाइक सो दैट you can handle all these 7 statements and others. Huh? Very easy one guys, very easy one. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जयदीप सर, बिल्कुल मोटिवेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इनके लिए खासकर. यहाँ पे देखो इंदिरा मैम गॉट मोटिवेटेड एंड शी मार्क द राइट आंसर आई गेस. वेरी गुड इंदिरा मैम. चलो, तो ATM कैन बी यूज टू विदड्रॉ कैश, डिपॉजिट चेक एंड कैश, deposit cash and check, perform other banking functions. Very good. Second statement, the committee headed by Dr. C. Rangarajan committee setting up ATMs in India. This is also true. Third आपका, the majority of ATM in India standalone machine not networked आपका, ठीक है, they are networked, ठीक है, so they work through the NFS net आपका national financial switch, these all are networked. Next one आपका ATM pin is a secret code that must be entered for every transaction to ensure security. Fifth one, the primary benefit of ATM customer provide banking services आपका 24/7. Online transactions, online ATM are concerned to bank database, while offline ATMs are not. Yes. The seventh one is ATM provide bank with ability to cross sell product and reduce the need for bank staff for the routine transaction. बिल्कुल सही है. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Option D will be right answer for this particular one. Very good guys. Awesome. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Then next one. We'll label up the question. ठीक है. Once you will mark the correct answer, we'll label up the question. हाँ जयदीप सर, आंसर गलत हो गया. ठीक है, नॉट बी, इट्स डी. So Sawadhan network was the first shared payment network system in India, launched by Indian Bank Association in Mumbai 1997. If you are having any doubt related to this is 100% true. NPCI took over NFS operations from IDRBT on December 14 to facilitate nationwide ATM interportability. Yes, 100% true. ATM in India only provide cash withdrawal? No. All services are, like mostly services we can deliver through this. The key component of ATM customer interface include video display monitoring, card reader and cash dispenser, not the touch screen. Touch screen is also there. ATM in India allow customer to perform various services. This 100% true. So 125 means आपका option A only will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, so that is the case आपका. ठीक है, next one. हाँ, that I have to search. Vinod sir, just a minute. Okay, first of all, it is आपका C. Vinod sir, it does not have any full form. It is Swadhan, your own money. ठीक है, it's a Hindi word आपका. ठीक है, so it's a Hindi word Swadhan, and it is, that means your own money. Ayush sir, very good evening. So 9 statements are there: white label ATM and brown label ATM. So white label and brown label. I hope you read about these particular thing during your bank exam preparation also. आदि UK. ठीक है, UK उत्तराखंड से हैं सर आप. आदि सर, your answer is wrong here. हाँ, white label ATM are owned and operated by non-bank entities, NBFCs basically. Tata IndiCash was the very first white label ATM in India. 2012-13 was the period. Okay? 2013 was the period when they got this particular one. 12 or 13. This is the second statement must be right. Reserve Bank of India introduced first guidelines for white label ATM in 2012, and Tata IndiCash was the first आपका white label ATM in the country. Third statement आपका, so white label ATM display branding and signage of bank, no. Tata Indicash, if you go to the that ATM, you will see the sign of Tata Indicash, right? Not the bank name and others. That is wrong. Fourth statement, customer can use any bank card at white label ATM. Yes. Brown label ATMs are owned by bank with service provider responsible for the hardware and maintenance आपका, ठीक है. Brown label, no, ठीक है. Brown, this should be reverse. Brown label ATMs are owned by the service providers. The cash deposit and others, that is generally handled by the bank itself, ठीक है. The next one, the sponsor bank is responsible for cash management and connectivity. Yes, this is 100% true, ठीक है. In case of brown label ATMs, this is about the brown label ATMs. Yes, white label ATMs operator can earn revenue from interchange fee from the customer using their ATM. No, their guidelines are also similar to that one, right? The Reserve Bank of India require that non-bank entities operate white label ATMs in tier 1 and tier 2 cities only. No, the financial inclusion was the target, so not for tier 1. Tier 1 already we are having ATMs and others. Brown label ATMs can be basically it is आपका above tier 2 आपका, ठीक है, mostly semi urban and rural areas. Brown label ATM can be operated by service provider who lease the ATM to bank. This is also true. अब बताओ, so 1, 2, 4 and 6 and 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, नहीं 8 नहीं 9. 1, 2, 4, 6 is not there. 1, 2, 4, 6, 9. No, something is wrong, I guess. With the options itself, what you guys are suggesting? You guys are suggesting 1. So 1, 2, 4. No, you are not saying 2. 1, 2, 4. Okay, what we have to find? Achha, okay. First of all, we have to find out not correct. Sorry, we have to find out incorrect statement. After reading these 9 statements, we forget about this. So now 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 8. So option D will be right answer. How many people missed this one after reading 9 statements? This will happen in your examination also, so you have to be very careful. Okay? Yes, I guess answer we should take, sir. Not correct. बिल्कुल. I just realized that particular one. So these are incorrect statement. That's why this. I guess everybody got tricked with that particular one because I can see your answers now. Everyone is going through A and others. Okay. Yes. आपका yes. चलो. Next one, guys. Next one. Okay. Yes. Adi sir, बिल्कुल. Okay. You are from Uttarakhand. I just got this UK wala thing. I am also from there only. I belongs to Ranikhet. Whenever you go Ranikhet, just tell me. Okay? But right now I'm not there. If anyone come to Uttarakhand, just connect me. So I'll arrange everything for all of you guys. Okay? But the condition is you have to pass JIB exam and you have to, if you have passed JIB, you should appear in CIB, or if you have appeared in CIB, you have to pass that one. Okay? Rest all things will be taken care by me. Okay, open offer to all. So you just have to pass everything from your आपका every convenience, ठीक है, from flight, hotels, everything. So you'll got this limited type offers, cash, recycler and kiosk banking, and you have to find out the correct statement. Please do confirm this limit. As per the previous note, it is true आपका, but if there are any changes, you can just do let me know. Okay, So cash recycler can accept and dispense cash. Cash recycler ensure the guidelines of currency and can identify counterfeit आपका note also. Yes, we do have that integrated technology. Cash recycler can only be used for withdrawing cash, not depositing for both. Cash recycler allow, as per the previous one, it is true. Kiosk banking system, I'll cross check just after this. Kiosk banking system are generally meant by, no, it is, there is no person aapka, this is kind of self-service. Kiosk banking offer the banking services in remote location where branches are unavailable. Kiosk banking allows services like balance inquiry and others also, right? So what you guys are suggesting, A aapka, on 20,000 only. Okay, Indra ma'am have confirmed this particular one. This is 20,000 only. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. So option A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Awesome. Next one. Credit card and charge card. This was part of module A also. So I hope everybody will be everybody will be able to answer this one. Acha, okay. So you are my neighbor, huh? Yes, Adi sir is my neighbor, guys. Almora Hall Bagh, huh? Chalo, bahut badhiya. So now, which of the following statement? So now I'll do the ticket and the rest things will be taken care by Adi sir. So, the accommodation in all these things. So we got one sponsor, another sponsor, guys. Chalo. So you have to pass this exam now. So what will be your correct answer? A credit card allow cardholder to pay the amount due in installment over time with service fee charge आपका, minimum due they can pay and rest they can pay later. The second one आपका, a charge card required the card holder to pay the entire balance. Yes, 100% true. Third, charge card holders provide period make payments. No, it is आपका one and full payments. Many card also allow emergency cash withdrawals through the service fee. Yes, credit cards they do. I guess mostly allow, but their limit is आपका. Like let's say if your credit card limit is 1 lakh, so it is like 10% or there are some restrictions. Or even when you have international cards, so when you go in foreign countries, so you can withdraw. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means option A will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Awesome. Next one, guys. Biometric security feature in smart cards. So today's all card are smart card. So you have to find out the biometric feature in smart cards. So dynamic signature verification check how a signature is written to verify its authenticity. Voice recognition compare the user voice with pre-recorded voice sample. Hand geometry measure feature like finger length and skin web opacity. And visual integration store compress digitized photos of the person in the smart card. Okay, so all the statements given in this particular one are correct. Okay, so D must be right. D is the right answer, not C. D, aapa guys. So D is the right answer for this particular question. Okay, next one. Quickly. Mobile wallet आपका. ठीक है. Next question is about mobile wallet. Next question is about mobile wallet and you have to find out the correct statement. So a mobile wallet store payment detail in a secure and encoded format. Mobile wallet can use only, no, they can be used for offline also. Like if it is like let's say small value, we have na PPI category आपका without KYC, brand specific and all. So if you visit those brand and others, you can encash the value. You can purchase the goods or services. Non-bank mobile wallet provide require a PPI license from RBI to operate a non-bank. Yes, PPI will be required. Mobile wallet can be completely replace the need for smartphone. No, आपका it assists basically the system of financial inclusion, not replacement. Mobile wallet help lower payment processing time and reduce the fraud. Yes. So 135 means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Okay? They can be used online and offline both, and a smartphone and reliable internet are required for the using mobile wallet, so they not replace those particular one. Next one guys, PPI. Next question is about your PPI. So prepaid payment instruments, and you have to find out the correct statement. Okay, so third statement is wrong. Closed system PPI instruments, they does not require, because they cash withdrawal and others are not allowed in this case. First, PPI can be issued as a smart card, internet wallet and mobile banking. Merchant are establishment that accept PPI for goods, services or financial services. So 1 in 3 means option C will be right answer for this one. Open PPI is required because they allow maximum services including cash withdrawal and others. Okay? So that's why that is the case. Next one. Next one guys. Small PPI. Small PPI. Again the limit we need to check. Indra ma'am will tell us. So limit आपका what will, these limits are fine or not. So earlier it was 10,000 per month आपका, ठीक है. Yes, 10,000 and 1.20 lakh. So as per my knowledge, like this was 10,000 in small PPI आपका 10,000 and 1.20 lakh in a financial year. So that's why this statement is wrong. Fund transfer and cash withdrawal are allowed. They are not allowed with this particular one. Small PPI must convert it into full KYC compliance. PPI within 24 months from the date of issue. True है. Small PPI can be used for purchasing goods and services only at contracted merchants like brand specific and all. Yes. If it is a Myntra voucher, it will get used in Myntra only. You cannot use that particular one at आपका Flipkart, or even if it is on Nike vouchers, you can use that particular one at Nike. It is something or similar to your cash credit and all. Small PPI with cash loading facility can be issued multiple time to the same holder without restrictions आपका. No. So it is आपका, I guess this area, this facility is not allowed. This entire facility is not allowed to this 3 and 4. Do we have 3 and 4? Yes. D should be right answer for this one. So it is 10,000 per month and 1,20,000. I'll do check this one. I'll right now I'll give you the second question. The other statements are here. Okay, please go through this one. I'll tell you the PPI limit for all. Small PPI 10,000, it is true. Per transaction is 2,000. ठीक है. and up to 2 lakh. Okay, that the facts we have discussed, that is true. Okay, there is no changes since 2022. That is the last circular of RBI regarding this particular one. So please do remember that thing. So PPI and select the correct option. PPI can be issued in the form of card, wallet, or a paper voucher. So that is true. Second statement, PPI use in India must be INR only. Interest can be paid on balances. Interest is not payable, I guess. Okay. There is no interest on this PPI, these particular instruments and all. Third statement आपका कैश लोडिंग ऑफ PPI लिमिट इज 1 लाख पर मंथ. नो, ठीक है. सो कैश लोडिंग लिमिट इज हाउ मच? आपका लोडिंग लिमिट इज 50,000. ट्रांजेक्शन आपका स्मॉल PPI 10,000 एंड 2,000 per transaction monthly. This is wrong. PPI must have minimum validity period of 1 year from the date of loading and reloading आपका, that is true. The next one is non-bank issue PPI must maintain outstanding balances in escrow accounts with 1 or 2 scheduled commercial bank. 6.1 co-branding partners for PPI can include foreign entities, but they must seek RBI approvals. Only Indian entities, no foreign entities are not allowed. Full KYC PPI can be used cross-border outward transactions. Ceiling is 10,000 per transaction and 50,000 आपका 10. तो 1457 means option A will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. So please do remember this one. I have kept some other question around this particular one also. So you just while I'll share the PDF, so you can go through that one. Now you have to go through the next question. I have to change the place and network. So just allow me 2 minutes, guys. So first question, first statement आपका. So mobile banking services in India are available for both smartphone and basic phones. Yes. Second statement, bank are allowed to provide cross-border inward and outward transfer by mobile banking आपका. नहीं, by mobile banking it is prohibited. Internet banking or branch banking it will be allowed. The maximum cash disbursal per transaction by mobile banking is 50,000. No, as there is आपका, we can do it more than this also. ठीक है. MPIN is a critical component, mobile PIN, for the authentication and authorization of this. True. Then next one is registration for mobile banking services can be done through multiple channel, including ATM, IVR, phone bankings. USSD mobile *99 has can only use for the financial transaction like fund transfer. It can be used for the balance inquiry and others also, right? तो 145 means option B will be right answer for this particular one, not D. D is 6. Okay, नहीं 6 1 is wrong आपका, ठीक है. 5th one is right, 6 1 is wrong. So we can do other transaction like आपका balance inquiry and others things related to this, ठीक है प्रतिभा मैम. And when it comes to fifth statement, multiple registration channels are available. People, they can access through these particular one. Yes, very good. Next one, neo banking. This is something which is famous one, like it is getting famous in the market, and the new one also. So please go through the statements and try to answer this. So neo banking operate आपका फिजिकल, नो इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ऑनलाइन ब्रांच आपका रॉन्ग है. न्यू बैंक प्राइमरीली टारगेट टेक सेवाई कस्टमर एंड प्रोवाइड मोबाइल फर्स्ट सर्विसेज लाइक payments, money transfers. In India, neo-banking work in collaboration with traditional bank to provide range of banking services 2 and 3. Option B will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. अच्छा, okay. INIFS, there was a question around the neo-banking. ठीक है, then चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज योर impact of technology adoption and trends in banking technologies. ठीक है, so these are the areas which are generally part of this particular one. ठीक है, so let's start the discussion with the very first question on your screen. So data communication network and electronic fund transfers, and you have to find out the correct statement. Okay, so first statement is, so first, modems are used to convert digital signals into analog signals for transmission over the telephone lines. Then another one is आपका electronic fund transfers system include NEFT, RTGS. This third statement आपका the primary purpose of data communication network is to store data securely. It should be to transfer data, not store. To transfer data, ठीक है. So it should be to transfer data, not store. Data communication networks is to transfer data, to remit data from one server to another. MICR technology introduced in India for speedy clearance of check in metropolitan cities. Yes, 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means A. How come B? See this देखो कई बार if you got some confusion ना, तो यहाँ पे you, let's say you are confused about the statement C, तो यू शुड गो फॉर दिस वन. MICR जो चेक पे हमारा दैट नंबर, ठीक है, दैट 11 डिजिट और 10 डिजिट नंबर आपका MICR जो भी हमारा जितना होता है, ठीक है. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच वी यूज वाइल वी डू द आपका ऑनलाइन क्लियरेंस और CBS एंड ऑल. वी दैट चेक नंबर इन अदर थिंग्स विच जनरली गेट अकाउंटेड थ्रू दिस. तो अगर ये डाउटफुल भी था तो भी आप यू कैन डू सेग्रीगेशन विद दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. तो थोड़ा सा ये तिकड़म लगाना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ एलिमिनेशन इन ऑल. दैट विल help you or that will save you for आपका marking any wrong answers. हाँ, so primary purpose of data communication network is to facilitate data transfer, not आपका store data. ठीक है, so that is the case. Alright guys, next one. Next one. So evolution of EFT system, and you have to find out the correct statement. MICR was get introduced in आपका 50s. It was in 50s. 1953-54 was the period आपका 53-54. So this is the time. That means first statement is wrong if you are doubtful about this. MICR technology was first introduced by American Bank Association to automate the clearing of this check. It is get introduced by American Bank Association, but the timing was 50s. The first automated clearing house began operation in 1972 following the formation of Scope Committee in 1968. In India, major EFT facilities include these आपका 100% true. EFT system in USA is primarily used on check clearing and private card system like Visa and this. No, it is आपका EFT is used for the remittances like US we have Fedwire, we have chips, or these are the services they majorly use these particular one. Next one, EFT system include both credit transfer and debit transfer mechanism for the real time fund transfer and all. So 235 means B should be right answer for this particular one, guys. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. ठीक है, so option B will be right answer for this particular question. Please go through do remember these particular ones, so they'll help you out. Next one. Okay, sir. Divyang sir, just a minute, huh? I'll refresh from my side. Okay, I guess with when I'll change the slide now, so it will be fine now. Okay, I'll just, you can see the question now, right? So next one, आपका next question. Automated clearing system like we have chips is from US, charts is from आपका UK, and charts is from आपका US only. ठीक है, so chip system use in international trade services, foreign exchange transactions, and domestic EFT payments in US. Yes. Charts is from आपका I guess it is from Hong Kong से. This is आपका US, this is UK, and this is आपका Hong Kong. ठीक है, so these are the areas developers. CHAPS provide same day settlement system for both high value and time critical payments in UK with payment guarantee on receipt, means these are irrevocable system and all. Charts operate in Hong Kong, offer instant online confirmation and inquiry. This is the one. Chip system operate without any redundancy in communication channels, making it spectacle to failures. No, it should be wrong. They generally work on the like all these particular system, they generally work on आपका high technology based areas. ठीक है, similar to that Swift. So all automated clearing house system use authentication and encryption technology to secure messages and ensure integrity, right? So one, this is मतलब these are the competitors to your आपका Swift. ठीक है, we have Swift, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. So these all are in the same business. ठीक है, chips, charts, and chats. So So these all are in the same business. We have Target 2.0 also from UK, Europe आपका. So they generally part of this one. So option A should be right answer for this particular question. Correct? Yes, very good. चलो next one guys. So MICR clearing was first step toward the automated settlement in India. Then we have even in world also. Okay, this was get the very first one. Okay. The second one is आपका immediate payment services IMPS allow fund transfer through mobile channels like yes PPI store value paid by holder cash debit and others. True. Aadhaar APS enable banking transaction through business correspondent using Aadhaar authentication. BBPS Bharat Bill Payment System umbrella institutions or system for the payment of various bills across India. This is also true. NETC टोल कलेक्शन वाला ठीक है सो नेशनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टोल कलेक्शन ऑफर इंटरपोर्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टोल पेमेंट्स सिस्टम तो ऑल आर करेक्ट मीन्स हाँ ऑप्शन बी will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है all the statement which are mentioned here they are correctly stated. ठीक है even your statement 3 also PPIs they store values in term of आपका cards or other notes and all. So option B will be right answer for this particular question. Next one guys. Next one. NEFT system are correct. Very easy one guys. Answer. NEFT was introduced by RBI in November 2005. This is first statement, true. Saraf committee constituted by RBI in 1994 recommended EFT, electronic fund transfer mechanism, 2, again correct. NEFT transactions can be done only during banking working hours. Now it is 24/7. The third one is wrong. NEFT operate with 48 half hourly batches every day. Again आपका true. So this is the fourth statement. There is an upper limit. There is no upper limit. Wrong. 24/7. Yes. आपका beneficiary bank must credit the amount and inform beneficiary same day or next working day. This is also true. ठीक है तो 3 and आपका 4-5 statement are wrong. Others are correct. So 1 2 4 6 7 1 2 4 6 7. That means option A will be right answer for this. Very good. Sakesh sir, Vinod sir and Indra ma'am. Yes. Adi sir, A will be right answer. ठीक है so option A will be correct answer for why B Rani ma'am option A ना all the other statements stated here are correct. ठीक है next one RTGS real time gross settlement. Real time gross settlement and you have to find out the correct statement. So RTGS process system instruct the continuously and on it is a gross basis, ठीक है. NEFT that work on net basis, this is आपका gross basis, ठीक है. Payment made through RTGS are irrevocable and settle on gross basis, yes. NG RTGS system use ISO 20022. This is a messaging standard, yes, for the verification and all. RTGS operate 24/7. Wrong है आपका, ठीक है. And there is no limit also, ठीक है. The RBI act as settlement agent in RTGS system but does not have access to the business information exchange between bank. This is also true. So 235 means option B will be right answer for this one. Very good, Sakesh sir, awesome. So statement 1 and 4 which are wrong here, right? Next one. Okay, next question is about the CTS, check truncation system, and you have to find out the correct statement. CTS, check truncation system, and you have to find out the correct statement. Now even this also got changed, okay? Now this is आपका how many hours? 4 hours. Please do correct me, huh? If I'm wrong, okay? So now it is आपका 4 hours. Earlier it was T plus 1. Then right now it is आपका within 4 hours or something, ठीक है? So first statement, the CTS was introduced to replace MICR clearing system in India. Second statement, it is online transaction, image based clearing system it is called. Third statement, physical check is truncated into electronically at the presenting bank. We convert the physical into electronic. Image and data of check in CTS are transmitted to the drawee bank for processing the same day. Settlement आपका this got changed. Implementation of CTS ensure security by using digital signature and encryption, true. So 1346 means option A will be right answer for this one. What is the new timing of CTS clearing, guys? कितना है? 4 hours. It announced like 4 but not credited. It is so it is 1 day आपका mostly, right? Okay. Indra ma'am experienced that particular one. So earlier it was T plus 1, now it is आपका T plus 0, ठीक है? So we can go with this. It is आपका now it is T plus 0, same day आपका, ठीक है? T plus 0 means आपका the day of transaction. All right, चलो. Now next one, digital payment system NPCI. So these are the areas. No, sorry. This we have discussed. I'll just check the questions. Do I have repeated this particular one or not? No. 46 we have done, I guess, earlier. Impact of technology, this is also done. Okay, so this one impact of technology only, right? 46, 47 done, and next one is 40. Okay, now 48. Okay, 46 we have done already. 48. So security consideration and mitigation measure in bank. So that is the one, security consideration and mitigation measure in bank. So first question, guys. IT related risk in banking operation, and you have to find out the correct statement. Increased competition and customer expectation have compelled bank to aggressively adopt evolving information technology, thereby depending on operational dependence on it. 100% true. Second statement, in computerized banking environment, software, data, and hardware from three distinct but interdependent. Yes, they are also true. This is also true. Third, the presence of inaccurate or manipulated data can significantly distort strategic business decision. Yes, this is also true. A robust data control framework completely eliminate the risk of intent. We cannot say completely eliminate आपका, ठीक है. Still there are some other factor also toward the internal fraud things and all, ठीक है. So this is wrong. So next one is integration of banking system with communication network like the internet enhanced services delivery, but simultaneously escalate the cybersecurity risk also. Inadequate maintenance of core infrastructure such as servers, routers, and UPS system can disrupt banking operations, cause substantial data losses. Yes. 7. Risk related to peopleware include stagnation in technological competencies and operational impact of attrition among the critical IT staff and all. ठीक है, जॉब चली जाएगी उनकी. 1 2 3 5 6 7 1 2 no 1 2 3 5 6 7. Yes, option D will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, the only statement incorrect was 4. Robust data control reduce but doesn't eliminate the internal fraud. ठीक है, it help bank आपका to reduce but it cannot आपका completely eliminate. Next one, correct statement again. So threat to computer system may not lead to actual damage, but they always imply a potential risk. Environmental hazards like spike in power supply, excessive humidity can negatively impact the computerized system. In most cases, human errors contribute more to computer system failures than the machine errors. Errors in complex system always get detected during the initial testing and debugging phase. Okay, we cannot say always. Okay, they can be hidden आपका. Customizing standard software package for user can sometimes introduce new error into the system आपका. Yes, तो 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 5 आपका 1 2 3 5 ऑप्शन सी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन. आगे तन्मय सर, ऑप्शन सी आपका द ओनली इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट वाज 4. Error may remain hidden for a long time even after the testing also. Right? चलो next one. Which of the following statement regarding malicious damage and fraud in computerized banking are true? Any virus attack basically. ठीक है, तो the only incorrect statement is 2. Fraudulent transaction in computerized system are impossible to detect without external. No, It is आपका generally tested through the or identified through the internal one. ठीक है. So this is wrong. 1 and 3 are true, means option B will be correct answer for this one. Very good, guys. So option B, which will be the right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. Next one. So, true regarding the operational control and security measure in banking. Okay, then my sir is saying C. Other also, guys. Okay, Vinod sir. The first statement is operational control are embedded in the application software to ensure data integrity, consistency, and processing. True है. Second, audit trials only record successful transaction, are not concerned with the failed. They are concerned with the more concerned with the failed transactions, ठीक है, and errors. Uh, a checksum is used to verify the integrity of data stored in file, particularly in banking application during day begin functions. Data encryption is the process of converting data into uh, ciphertext to prevent unauthorized access. Data masking is used to obscure personal data such as credit card and others. So that is also true. To 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5 means option C will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, guys. Awesome. So the only incorrect statement is this: audit trial record both successful and unsuccessful transactions. Next one, computer audit. Next one is computer audit. And the incorrect statement about the computer audit. Okay, Tanmay sir is saying option B. The scope of computer audit include reviewing the compliance with established policies, standard and procedures. A computer audit can only be performed by auditor. No, this should be wrong actually. Like we also perform sometime. The approach of audit around the computer involve direct examination of application software. Auditor may use computer aided sorry, the third statement is also wrong. Kya? Audit around the computers involve direct no it I guess it is not part of this one. Sorry, this should be wrong. Auditor may use computer aided audit tools and techniques for auditing computer generated file and record. This is true. Audit through the computer's approach. Auditor focus on reviewing internal control and logic within system. Require technical competence. This is true. The next one is audit with the computer approach does not require the use of specific audit software. Yes, wrong. So what we have to find out incorrect statement, right? So 236 means option B will be right. Incorrect statement. Here we have to find out incorrect statement. Divyang sir and Sakesh sir. I guess you have taken the right one आपका, ठीक है. So option B will be right answer. These are the incorrect statement. Non-technical auditors can perform an audit around the computer with basic training. Audit around the computer does not involve direct examination of application software, ठीक है. The sixth statement is audit with the computer require the use of specific audit software and all, right? Next one, information system audit, and you have to find out the correct one. Information system audit. Information system audit is conducted to evaluate the availability of computer system, to safeguard its assets and maintain data integrity. The objective of IS audit changes depending on whether the system is manual or computerized. It is आपका for the computerized one only. So this is wrong. This should be wrong. Preventive control are designed to detect events that have already no. Preventive is kind of forecast based, ठीक है. So it is already, they are not already occurred. We are basically protecting from the upcoming malicious आपका software or the virus and others, right? So that should be wrong. Fourth statement, detective control help in recovering from lost situation by restoring the system to its original state. Detective control help recovering from lost situation. डिटेक्टिव it should be corrective control, not detective आपका, ठीक है. डिटेक्टिव we use for the we do आपका random checking on all, ठीक है. it is not basically the आपका, this is kind of a ongoing. Detective control is basically on the ongoing system and all. Corrective is feedback oriented, ठीक है. so it is feed forward. Detective is feed forward, not feedback. One of the main benefit of IS audit is that it help in identifying risk within the computerized environment. Yes, बिल्कुल सही है. Corrective control focus, हाँ. Preventive, no, it is आपका feed forward, means the situation like this, ठीक है. So this is also wrong. IS audit ensure compliances with regulations and promote best practices for control mechanism. 100% true, right? So what we have to find out, correct statement 157. 157 means option A will be right answer for this particular question, right? So these are the incorrect statements with regard to IS or information system audit. Please do remember this one, okay? Next one, okay. Operational aspect of cyber crimes, fraud and management of cyber tech. So these are the areas which generally part of this particular one. So let's start with the very first question. Okay, first question itself related to RBI guidelines. So first statement, cyber security policy आपका it should be independent, not integrated, ठीक है. It must be independent, not integrated. So first statement itself wrong. तो ये अलग होनी चाहिए. साइबर सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी शुड बी डिफरेंट एंड दिस शुड बी आपका डिफरेंट, ठीक है. So bank are, that should be aligned toward that one, but there must be a separate for this one as per the RBI guidelines. Bank are required to establish security operations center to ensure continuous surveillance of cyber threats. True है. State unauthorized access to network and database must be preventive. Unidentified access control, preventive, no, it should be आपका again. Preventive is something like ठीक है, the existing system we are protecting that one. Preventive, Unauthorized access to network and database must be preventive using Acha, okay, huh. So using the second, and now I got this one. Actually, this is not the base. Base is this defined. It must be defined. आपका ठीक है. It is. It must be defined. Access control and all. Bank must protect customer information by implementing system and process across the data life cycle. Bank are not required to share detail of cyber incident. No, they have to share these one. So 2 and 4 means no. 2 and 4. No? Achha, okay, what we have to find out? Correct statement. 2 and 4. We do not have 2 and 4 here. Okay. No, 2 and 4 only should be right answer for this one. I need to check this one. Huh? C आपका C is 1 to 4. 1 to 4. आपका 1 is incorrect. 1 is incorrect. बिल्कुल सही था. ठीक है. Cyber policy should be from this. And आपका fifth one is incorrect. ठीक है. Bank must report all unusual incident, not just आपका involving financial losses. That is also true. ठीक है. So third one is statement 3 आपका. Statement 3 is also incorrect. हाँ बिल्कुल सही हमारा आंसर. ठीक है. So means we need to change the options. So what I'll do, I'll erase this one. 2 and 4. What we have to find out correct statement. So 2 and 4. Now it will be fine. 2 and 4 आपका. ठीक है. So explanation part is fine, but the option mentioned, that is आपका incorrect here. Next one guys, next one. So network behavior anomaly detection embed is true. So embed system track critical network characteristics such as traffic volume and protect protocol used in detect anomalies. Yes. A baseline of normal network behavior must be established for embed to effectively identify the anomalies. This is also true. Embed is primarily used for detecting known security. No, it is for unknown security threats. आपका ठीक है. So this is आपका wrong. 1 and 2. Option A will be right answer. Why you guys are not answering? Yeah? Why so calm guys? चलो दिस इज द वन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट गाइस, नेक्स्ट वन. सब साइलेंट हो गए ऐप पे भी और यूट्यूब पे भी. Everyone is silent, huh? On YouTube also and app also. So do revise these things आपका. I have kept other question also, so I'll just share the PDF just after this session. So go through those particular one that help you out. ठीक है. And this is something आपका, this will help you to score आपका higher, हाँ. तो I'll suggest कि at least give 1 or 2 hours today itself, and then after that practice mock test, module mock test. ठीक है. So let's target module C today only. Just go through for 1 hour for this one. And if you want to prefer that ebook also, module C I have shared, you can go for that one. And then practice आपका module mock once. This type of question only you'll get from this module, huh? So the correct regarding the phase of effective cyber incident response CIR plan. So what will be your correct answer? Proactive capabilities focus on operation detection in this. Responsive capabilities involve containment, reductions and recovery. This is also true. Proactive capabilities are excluded only after, no, proactive is like before these kind of, like where we are making some sort of new shield, we are providing some new shield to our existing system and all, so we can deal with the future threats and all. So option A only will be right answer for this one, proactive. So even like if you'll go through these line and all na, still you can have a idea around these things. Okay, so at least give your efforts, that will help you. Okay, next unit number 50th आपका technology trend in banking, e-rupee, fintech, regtech, supertech and hashtag. So these are the areas which are generally part of this particular unit. First question. These all are small unit, but it is manageable. Still, it is manageable. Whatever is given in these line, na, that is kind of a summary of your Macmillan, and that will be part of your content. The area when you'll go for the examination also. So e-rupee voucher can be redeemed only at merchant designated by the issuer bank at the time of issuance. Each e-rupee voucher issued for a denomination of it is 10,000, I guess. It should be 10,000. This is wrong. E-rupee enable contactless, cashless delivery or benefit without the need of smartphone and internet. Only bank authorized to issue PPI participating as PSP in UPI ecosystem can issue e-rupee. A single mobile number can receive more than 10 vouchers under one program if the scheme permitted. Yes, e-rupee cannot be used to withdraw cash or receive cashback under any circumstances. This also should be true. Next one आपका sponsor must either corporate or government departments and not individual retail customer. The issuer bank can now track the redemption status of e-rupee voucher issued by it. E-rupee voucher are valid only for a fixed set of good or services, cannot be used generically like cash. Okay? The only statement wrong is 2. So what fit best in this case? 1 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 3 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 means आपका option C will be right answer for this particular one. So this is okay, this is the one. All right, next one. You can downside आपका what I can suggest sir 15 to 20 marks. Then sir 15 to 20 marks. Marks wise I'm telling you, 15 to 20 marks. Downside 15 marks, but okay, downside 15 marks. It can go up to 20 marks also. And believe me guys, if you'll go through this PDF only na, you will be like, you will see this, that I can guarantee ki things will be aligned with this particular content only, because I have only prepared this content with that book, taking that book and other things. So you do not have to go through the books and others, just go through these statement and others. And what else I can suggest you, just after this attempt a mock, or even you can re-attempt also aapka by tomorrow and all. So tomorrow we'll be doing आपका final revision. I'll come up with 100 question, a set of 100 question with weightage itself. ठीक है, A, B, C and D, and we'll be doing at 6 o'clock. ठीक है, everyone, or that speed revision. Then day after tomorrow we'll be doing AFM for same. So fintech refer only mobile payment application developed by startups. कैन मतलब ओनली स्टार्टअप फिनटेक इज आपका दे आर फाइनेंस कंपनीज नाउ दे हैव एंटर्ड इनटू दे आर लिवरेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी टू इंक्रीज देयर रीच. ठीक है. देन वी हैव रेगटेक, help financial institution automate compliances process technology this like AI or big data and others. Supertech tool assist regulatory authorities in improving supervisory efficiency. Then we have RegTech is used by both fintech and regulators for the real-time regulatory monitoring. Yes, 100%. Supertech is used exclusively by private bank. Right, wrong है. ठीक है. It is used by the आपका regulatory authorities and all. 6 1 is fintech include service like P2P lendings, crowdfunding and आपका robo advisors. हाँ, this can be. So 2 3 4 6 means option A only will be right answer for this one. ठीक है. With one option also we can eliminate the rest one. All right. हाँ, evening. सके सर evening. चलो. Now next one, hashtag banking. Hashtag banking. Hashtag banking require the customer to follow the bank on Twitter. ठीक है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ठीक है. Second statement is also correct using this. Third statement आपका hashtag banking can only be used during the it can be used 24/7. Again, there is no restrictions आपका for this one. Fourth, both the bank and the customer must follow each others to exchange the direct message. The next one is final fund transfer in hashtag banking is executed by a traditional payment like this true. ठीक है. तो 1 2 4 5 1 2 4 5 option D will be right answer for this particular one. Right. So only the wrong statement was this. Next one. Which of the following statement about open banking are true? The first statement 3 and 5 are wrong. First statement, open banking allow third party services provider to access the customer banking and financial data through the API tool. Then customer must provide consent before this one. Open banking completely eliminate no. The data breach risk is high in case of open banking. The use of API open banking allow business to share specific data and functionality with external developer. Open banking reduce customer access to it eventually we are increasing with these kind of tools. So this is wrong. 1 2 5 4 1 2 4 means option D will be right answer for this particular question. All right. So yes, I guess Rani ma'am is done with this computers or technology things. हाँ, चलो बहुत बढ़िया. Next one. Okay, so this is it guys. ठीक है. So this is it. So this was your unit wise revision और आपका practice for module C. Module D, I'll upload both the PDF just after 10 minutes. I'll share in chat also. ठीक है. And if I have missed anything, please do let me know so I can share all those particular things. Now what you have to do, just do revise with the help of PDF once. Then go for the module mock. ठीक है. This is something which is scoring. Believe me, things are like doable. ठीक है. आप manage कर सकते हो चीज़ों को. So I'll recommend everyone please आपका do participate. Tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock we'll be doing one that marathon of 100 questions, speedy marathon and all. ठीक है. Then day after tomorrow we'll be doing one marathon where we'll be discussing आपका areas. That is Saturday. That is we'll start bit early around 5 o'clock. So first we'll do numericals and then we'll do आपका the question or the complete unit wise आपका all the 35 unit of AFM itself, right? ठीक है दोस्तों, तो अभी just forget about AFM, just focus on PPB. You have left with only a few hours for this examination and still you are in game. Just follow things, use elimination. Anyhow you have to score 50 plus. Second downside you have to score 45 and the first goal is you have to score 65. So if you have scores 45 in IN, IFS and others, that we can compensate. जैसे इंदिरा मैम हमारी, right? चलो, तो all done guys. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. I'll see you tomorrow. So prepare well, and if you need any help, just feel free to reach me out on WhatsApp or आपका app. I'll do my best for whatever you require.